Hello, my name is Ivanka Hakis and I am a first-year pharmacy student at the YouTube School of Pharmacy, and today I will be doing a video on how to administer a nasal spray pump. The first step is to have your hands clean, so make sure you wash your hands. The second step is to prime your product. You're going to want to remove the plastic covering on the nozzle tip. Then you're going to place these two fingers onto the pump and the thumb towards the bottom like so. And you're going to shake and press down on these two fingers and emit a spray, like so. Now your product is primed. Then you want to go ahead and prepare yourself to receive the product. You're going to want to take a Kleenex and blow your nose gently to remove any mucus obstructing the nasal passageway. To administer your product, you're going to start by tilting your head slightly forward and inserting the nozzle tip into one nostril. With the index finger on your other hand, you're going to depress the nostril that is not being used. This is to ensure that the medication does not come out through the other nostril. Okay, so to administer it, you're going to hold it such as we did when we primed the product. You're going to insert the nozzle tip in a direction that's straight towards the back of your head and not towards your septum, because this will only cause irritation to your septum. You're going to push down on these two fingers such as we did when we primed the product, and you're going to emit a spray into your nostril. When you do that, you want to sniff in deeply. It is very important that you don't blow your nose or sneeze right after you have administered your product, because then the medication will only come out. Okay? And then also, please wash your hands after you have finished using the product. And you have successfully administered a nasal spray pump. Thank you for watching.